Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas to Google Drive. All right. So as we all know, integrations right here under GoCanvas is not available yet, but you can just go ahead and easily reach them out and tell them that you need a custom integration. But if you want to do it yourself, you can go ahead and use an integration platform like Zapier to automate the process. Okay. You can use other automation platforms like N8N, Make.com, and similar automation platforms. Okay. But for this example, we're going to be using Zapier. So just go ahead over to Zapier.com and make your account. It is actually pretty easy to make and it's totally free. All right. So what we'll do here is just go ahead over to the top left and click on Create, click on Zaps. Once done, click on Trigger and then select GoCanvas or Google Drive. All right. So the trigger for this example, I'm going to be using GoCanvas. Like so, click on it, trigger event, new submission. All right. And log in with your GoCanvas account. Once done, hit on continue, choose an app name or a form name. All right. I'm going to be using job ticket and then hit on continue and test the trigger. Always test the trigger. All right. Now got a check mark. It's time to add the action. All right. So we're going to be using Google Drive right here. So in here, whenever a new submission is triggered, you can go ahead and select an action event that can add file sharing preference, that can copy file, all right, or create a folder, create a shortcut, delete file. So for example, I'm just going to be using create a folder like so. Then I'm going to click on sign in to connect my Google account. All right, just follow the simple prompts. And once done, it is now connected. So again, whenever there's a new submission from GoCanvas, Google Drive right here will create a folder. All right, hit on continue, drive right here, select my Google Drive. All right, you can go ahead and choose a parent folder. If not, just leave it blank so it will be able to create a new folder. All right, new folder or folder name, folder from GoCanvas, just for example. All right, then hit on continue, and then we're going to test the connection of Google Drive and Zapier. Test step. All right, that is one connected, got a check mark. And the last thing that you need to do here is just hit on publish. And when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow. All right, allowing the defined actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs or whenever a new submission occurs from GoCanvas. Okay, each time the trigger event happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected apps. There you have it. So when we check it out to drive.google.com right here, I'm going to go ahead over to my drive. As you can see, we now have the folder from GoCanvas. That means that the connection is now ready to be published or online. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.